It is the simplest of shapes, and yet it built our entire world. A circle carved from stone became the invention that carried civilization forward, the wheel. But here's the twist. Humanity lived for thousands of years without the wheel. Fire came first, agriculture came first, even cities rose before a single wheel rolled. The wheel's first evidence dates back to Mesopotamia, around 3500 BC, but not for transport. The earliest wheels weren't for carts, they were for pottery. The pottery wheel, spinning clay into vessels, was the true beginning of wheel technology, a tool of art before it became the engine of progress. Then came the leap, the wheel attached to an axle. Suddenly, heavy loads that once broke human backs could glide across land. Civilization had found its engine. The first carts transformed farming, trade, and war. Villages turned into connected networks. Empires began to expand, powered by wheels rolling on dusty roads. Kings and warriors rode chariots into battle. The wheel became not just a tool, but a symbol of speed, power, and control. From Mesopotamia, the idea rolled outward to the Indus Valley, Egypt, China, and Europe. The wheel spread like wildfire across continents, reshaping human destiny. Merchants loaded wagons with goods, pulling salt, silk, and spices across ancient roads. The wheel became the backbone of global trade, long before ships and planes. But wheels needed roads, and so the Romans built stone highways stretching thousands of miles, an empire of wheels, linking every corner of their world. In Buddhism, the wheel of Dharma represents truth. In Hinduism, the wheel marks time itself. The circle became both sacred and practical, eternity and progress bound together. In medieval Europe, wagons carried harvests, mills spun with water, and gears turned in cathedrals' clocks. Everywhere you looked, wheels quietly worked in the background. Even Gutenberg's printing press, the invention that multiplied knowledge, relied on wheels and gears to turn ink into books. Then came steam. Wheels turned into pistons, gears, and flywheels. Factories roared to life. Trains thundered across nations. The wheel was no longer simple, but mechanical. In the 19th century, bicycles gave ordinary people freedom. Two wheels gave workers mobility, women independence, and societies a faster rhythm of life. Then, cars. Four wheels carrying dreams, status, and speed. The wheel wasn't just an invention anymore. It was identity, culture, and ambition. Even flight depended on spinning wheels, propellers cutting through air, landing gear touching the ground. The wheel refused to be left behind. And when humanity left Earth, the wheel followed. Lunar rovers rolled across the moon, wheels turning where no human had walked before. Look closer today. Wheels are hidden in every machine. Gears in your watch, rotors in your fans, hard drives spinning with digital memories. Invisible wheels drive the modern age. From national flags to Olympic logos, the wheel remains a symbol of progress, motion, and endless cycles. Think about it. Without the wheel, there is no car, no clock, no industry, no space travel. Civilization itself is built on circles rolling forward. The wheel, the simplest invention that never stopped rolling, and perhaps the one invention we can never live without.